Hi. No, you're not going. You're staying here with Mom. Come here. No, you're not going. You're not going. Come here. Stay here with Mom.
I'm the strict one with you.
Stop. Say bye, Dad. You don't need to go. You stay here with Mom, okay? Say, but I like going in the car. I like going in the car, yeah. Come on, baby. Now, Dad will be back in a minute. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. He thinks he has to go every time. He thinks he has to go for a ride. He thinks he has to go for a ride. There goes Dad. There goes Dad. Stay here with Mom. You're all right. You're all right.